Today I'm going to talk to you about fears and phobias, the unknown one or the irrational ones. Basically, if it's a fear, it's something that happened in the past. It can be a traumatizing one. It's something that would have hurt you both mentally and physically. Then you say, okay, I'm going to keep a safe distance from it. Simple example is when you touch a fire. When you were young, you touched a fire and then you say, oh, okay, it registered as pain. And so in future, when it comes to fire, I'm going to make a safe distance. I know it's going to hurt. So your future's decision is based on your past, right? And so these things will actually create fear if you don't manage them. If it's a defensive thing, if it's in your mind, you registered, okay, yes, I understand it's fear, fire is dangerous, and I'm going to keep a safe distance. But if I keep thinking about it, all right, and that will register as fear, no longer a defensive mechanism, but a fear. And if you don't manage fear, then it goes into phobias, which is an extreme version of fear. So you get the idea what a fear is, right? But what about fears which are not associated with any kind of a past experience? You just don't understand. Fear of water, fear of taking shower sometimes, running out of the bathroom. Yeah, I have clients who have told me those things as well. Sometimes fear of driving without having an accident or anything like that. They just don't understand why they have this fear. And so these are irrational fears, fears which you just don't understand. If you know what it is, then you can fix it. What if you don't know? In astrology, there is a way to find this out. It's a bit technical. You need to find your most recent past lives chart. Okay. Now, to put it simple, you have the D1, the main chart, and you have the D9, the Nava chart, which is the accumulative of all your past life. The D9's D9, right? If you dissect D9 another 9 times, you have the most recent past life. In that chart, looking at the positions of Rahu, its nakshatra, and its association with the 8th house would give you the right remedy to perform. Because that clearly shows what is the reason why you are fearful of whatever that is unknown to you, that irrational fear. That chart will actually show it to you, right? So there's a term called vasanas. Vasanas is like imprints, things which are within you from the past life, past life or the past, which is latent. It's there, but it's not active, right? So these vasanas are impressions of the mind, and we can find out those impressions through this chart. All right. So I hope if you know anyone who's suffering from this unknown fear, or if you are, then you can connect with me and I can help you to check your chance for a small fee. And yeah, I hope this is useful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Namaste.